what if you have a phone? You take the battery out. Well, it's on. Well, nothing bad's gonna happen. So it's on, and I take the battery out. Okay, so you have the this is the battery. It doesn't have a battery. It just has that. So it's on, and I'm about to take the battery out. There. And in 3, 2, 1, take the battery out. Yeah, as you can see, it just turned. So there's the battery. I took it out with the ninja, and then it just turned off. And left. But to put it back in, you have to see that side and see the little thing that's popping in. Just in case we're not getting back here and just break, when case some security, I have to get out with this and start out. Do you feel the thing? And
the next game will be playing. These are lucky list out games and have $500. Serial number is 222. First number for your lucky loop is in the 100.